Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Mario and today we're gonna talk about the new iPad 2022. In different colors: pink, blue, silver and yellow. Touch ID, landscape mode. You can do landscape for video conferences or video calling of iPad, and you want to try something new. You want more gigabytes, you want bigger memory, yeah, right? And you want something new. You're open to take the new iPad 2022. And what is nice is that you can use the 9th generation pen. So maybe you ask yourself, Mario, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Maybe you have an idea, and I hope I have it today. Between the new iPad 2022, the basic one, and the Pro version. Which one should I buy, Mario? To dive right into the situation, the normal iPad has two things I love a lot. So the magic folio and the landscape mode, and now has the, thanks God, finally USB-C charging, so you can connect external display to your iPad. So the basic model comes center stage as well, USB-C, I said, landscape mode, all inclusive in the basic iPad 2022. If you're not a professional, you don't do editing, and you don't use your iPad for pro things, you can use the normal iPad 2022 if you're a student or just a normal person that want to use daily for watching movies or listening to music. Please buy the normal version because you're just gonna waste your money. But depends. Me myself, I will buy the Pro version because I need to edit and it's more easier to pack in your backpack. Use LumaFusion for editing. So guys, going back to the iPad. iPad basic comes in 4 colors. It's pink, blue, yellow and silver. I love the silver. It was the initial color of iPad and from Apple. And let's not forget about the weird funny situation of using Apple Pencil with cable in order to charge your pencil. It's a little bit weird. So the new iPad, you can use your old pencil from your previous generation, 9th generation. You can use your pencil now to the newest generation, to the 10th generation of iPad base version, and you can use the old pencil with the new iPad. So it means you don't have to invest money in another pencil. But guys, I prefer to buy the Pro version that has a magnetic pencil and to don't stick to charge my pen with cable. But if you have like I said, an old version of pen and you want to use it with the new iPad, go for it, guys. It's totally worth it. I think the same. If I will not using for editing and for nothing, I will buy the normal version that comes in 4 color. I said landscape mode, center stage, USB-C, and you can connect it to an external display. So guys, just think that iPad Pro is somewhere like more expensive but has the Hoover pen. So the Hoover pen, the 2nd generation, the Hoover pencil from Apple, before you even touch the iPad screen. So it's have more settings to do. It's not so glossy, but it's more usable. So the iPad Pro has to a bigger price, doesn't have the landscape mode, different colors you can choose from, but has, for example, wireless charging, so you can wireless charge your pen without a cable to need, which the basic version has. And the smart folio from the basic version as well, with the smart trackpad, so with a smart pad, is not existing on the Pro version. And as well, on the Pro version you don't have the landscape mode. So on the Pro version, like I said, you have the you have the Hoover pencil that is chargeable wirelessly, and on the normal version, that is cheaper version, the basic version, you don't have the wireless charging to the pencil. And the M2 chip that the Pro version has, the Pro version has the M2 chip, the wireless charging, magnetic charging to the pencil, and the XDR display, and so on, that you have to choose from what you want to use. If you want to use your iPad for the basic day-to-day usage, then use the normal basic version that comes at 64 gigabytes. I was thinking that if you have the 9th generation iPad, you maybe still want to use your old 4th generation pencil. So you use your 4th generation pencil to the 2nd generation iPad. So maybe that's why they were thinking to do in this way, so they can, do for everyone to be acceptable. You have maybe the old iPad and you want to have a new, the old pencil, the new iPad and the old pencil. I would personally choose to buy the Pro version, even if I still don't have the smart magic pad and to don't have the landscape mode, because I think Apple wants to do like this. You buy the Pro version, you have the magnetic pencil. You buy the normal version, then you're gonna get the landscape mode. My opinion, if you're a normal person and you don't have what to do with the Pro version, you're not editing, you're not doing whatever these stuffs like professional, buy the normal iPad. You have the old pencil, and you can use it together with the new iPad, the old pencil, so you don't have to spend extra money for the new iPad 2022. So guys, it's about your decision, your money is your pocket, so it's your choice. So I hope you're gonna take the best decision for yourself. This new iPad 2022, the base one is coming in 4 colors. It's pink, yellow, blue and silver. So you have new colors. You have as well the USB-C, you have as well the old pencil connected through an adapter to the new iPad, and the landscape mode and the central stage. So you have a lot of things to choose. A lot at your decision, your money, your pocket, and the best way you think you can use this for your advantage. Guys, God bless you. Peace. God bless you guys. Wish you all the best. Thank you for being here. Your boy Mario. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video from a lot of people that will love to be inspired what and which iPad to choose. And thank you so much for being here. Please watch the next video right up there somewhere. Thank you so much. Bye.